Evaluation of CSR. Early definitions from 1950s to 1970s, broad and heavily rooted in the social element. The possibility that organizations must do CSR and assume a functioning job in the reasonable improvement battle has its underlying foundations in crafted by some American supervisors during the 1950s. What was their thought? They imagined that if organizations not at this point concentrated distinctly on their benefits, yet additionally on the effect that they have on society and the earth, they would have different sorts of advantages. In 1953, Howard Bound distributed a book entitled The Social Responsibility of the Businessman, wherein he clarifies why organizations ought to be keen on being all the more socially and earth responsible and gave the main perceived meaning of corporate social responsibility. Also, with the improvement of ecological worries, notwithstanding financial and social issues in the second 50% of the 20th century, corporate social duty turned into a developing issues. An ever increasing number of customers began getting incredulous of organizations and needed them to be progressively differential of the laws, the earth, and progressively capable by and large. Conceptualizations and models are introduced in 1970s and 1980s. These are the efforts to produce a model of corporate social responsibility and its institutional role. Business cases grows after 1980. Research turned towards analyzing the financial impact and competitive advantages offered. During the 1990 and 2000, governments in a few nations around the globe began setting up guidelines that made the establishment for present day corporate social responsibility. In France, NRE laws were the first to constrain organizations to impart their exhibition as far as the sportable term of events. These laws were then trailed by different guidelines. For example, the Grenelli laws of the laws of vigilance. Thereafter, organizations began getting mindful of the need of beginning to put resources into CSR with the goal that they did not remain behind their rivals. Now, CSR began to be seen and utilized as a device for executives. Correspondence and business advancement, CSR turned out to be likewise basic in improving corporate picture among shoppers, upgrading inner correspondence and profitability, and was a method of decreasing expenses by turning associations progressively effective with regard to overseeing vitality and assets. Today, as a word appears numerous social and environmental difficulties. Its elusive medium, huge size organizations that do not have a CSR report, a CSR division, or an individual in control, or possibly a correspondence procedure devoted to CSR. Today, the corporate world has begun the genuinely systemized CSR. CSR approaches and techniques allude to the different arrangements set up by organizations that make them stronger and simultaneously permit them to ensure the earth decrease ozone depleting substance discharges, improve the nature of items, or advance social consideration and workforce equity. By and large, a CSR approach can possibly affect various regions inside business, interior structures, and furthermore in the manner the external workforce and society are composed. On a worldwide degree, there is no law that bars organizations to set up a CSR techniques. All things considered, numerous states have built up a lot of guidelines that outline CSR specifically by urging organizations to be progressively capable. बेसिकली सीएसआर जो है 1950 से लेके 70 तक इसको अर्ली जो डिफाइन किया गया था वो ये था कि एक सोशल एलिमेंट कंसेप्चुअली और इसके जो मॉडल्स हैं वो 1970 से लेके 80s तक जो है ना वो क्या किए इंट्रोड्यूस करवाए गए सीएसआर में इंस्टीट्यूशन का रोल जो है इसको पॉइंट आउट किया गया जबकि बिजनेस केसेस जो है जब जैसे ही 1970 से लेके 80 के दौरान जो है ये इसकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हुई तो बिजनेस केसेस जो है वो सामने आना शुरू हुए अब ये जो केस स्टडीज थी ये 1980 से अनवर्ड जो है वो पॉइंट आउट की जब सीएसआर की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होने से पहले और होने के बाद की जो है ना जितनी भी केस स्टडीज थी सारी की सारी 1980 से अनवर्ड जो है वो क्या हुए जो है ना वो पॉइंट आउट की